Ibata ko na ang first question while you are guessing it.
Okay.
Have you ever taken a big risk? How did it turn out?
I did, because I was so stable working as a flight attendant internationally for Qatar Airways, 5-star airline. I was still working as a business class. And after 3 years and 11 months traveling the world, I decided to quit. I told myself not to get addicted with the paycheck, with the salary, because everything is given, accommodation, allowance, and all, and traveling the world. So, sino ang magre-resign sa ganung situation? Even mga magulang ko, mama ko, mga tita ko, they're like, why would you quit your job? Ang daming nakikipagtrabahong Pinoy sa ibang bansa, domestic. Ikaw, you can go home anytime you want. But why did you quit? Typical na thinking ng ibang tao. Siyempre ako to, story ng buhay ko to, di ba? So, I want something different. I've already traveled the world. I fulfilled my dreams. I want freedom with my time. And so, yes, I decided to quit, and I took the entrepreneurial path. Final, moisturizer lotion na ni-ref kasi malamig siya and slimy.
Check mo. Yeah.
Yogurt ko? Yung yogurt ko to, no? Oh my God! Yung salad dressing ko, kinuha niya sa fridge. Caesar salad dressing. Smells like, alam mo yung Kewpie Japanese mayo? Ang galing mo!